Hello friends, welcome to my channel Deepa Study World. Today I'll be sharing a PPT or a presentation and the topic is nature. So let's get started. First of all, what is the meaning of nature? All the animals, plants, rocks, etc. in the world and all the features, forces and processes that happen or exist independently of people, such as the weather, the sea, mountains, the production of young animals or plants and growth. These all are known as nature. So, let's know the importance of nature. To have a healthy life, we need fresh air, clean water, and surrounding. Soil is one of the component of environment. It is useful for the growth of plants, which are source of food to the animals around. Food materials are obtained from plants, animals, and other natural sources. The clothing requirements like wool, cotton are obtained from plants and animals. We obtain many medicines from the nature which causes no side effects than artificial drugs. So, as we all use nature, we must also conserve the nature. So, here are some ways to conserve the nature, and they are recycling, grow vegetables, reduce water consumption, use rechargeable batteries, reduce the use of electricity, quit smoking, plant a tree, and talk about it. We all live on the same planet, and it is our duty to protect it in any way we can. So, nature is a beautiful thing that makes your life with happiness and it makes you relax. So, thank you. Bye bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Okay, bye bye.